So apparently this guy is uh luring me something with rounds. Talk to monk and take the boat. Okay? What? What if I can make money off this guy? Guess I should follow him. Okay. Now what? He called me a nice person. Okay. Hmm. He promised me he'd give me 5 mil. I'll see what is gonna happen. Why don't you whatever. What? Why are we in a trade screen? Makes it easier. Okay. Wait, what was it for the first round? Are you gonna? You said 5 mil. Huh? Do I get cash on the first round? Alright, so drop your items. Where do I drop them? For the first round, I'll give you 5 mil. Here. Alright. Okay, so the first round, I'll give you 5 mil here. Okay, so do I drop my items now? Do I? Alright. I'll just drop these. Okay. I'll try to make sure. Alright. Do I get 5 mil in items? Just give me Gothics page. 5 mil? No way this guy's gonna accept. Come on. Oh my god, no way. I wonder if I can. Alright, what next? What is round 2? Oh my god, it's got 5 mil. My cash stack just like doubled. Are you gonna. What is round. Okay. Or, like, what is round 2? Alright, so. What is round. What is it? Can you answer me? If I can make more money off this guy, I'll be so happy because my bank will triple. Go. Drop your items here. What's after that? What's after that? Go. How much do I get for that? I can't type. 10 more. But if I go down, if I go on the ladder, I can't go back up. What a scam! I just made 5 mil. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's made 5 mil. I have to go tell. Oh my god, I have to go tell Jeff about this. Holy crap. I just like. Oh my. Alright, well. The second round's easy, and the first. He's telling me to come back for round 2. The first round is easy. Oh my god. Alright, well, I'll be back if some guy ever tries to freaking lure me again. Oh my